In this example, we're going to use a method of unsimplifying division to find equivalent ratios. On a necklace, for every 2 red beads, there are 3 blue beads. So let's actually draw this situation. For every 2 red beads, so we have 2 red beads, we're going to then need to have 3 blue beads. And then we're going to repeat it. So for every 2 red, we're going to have 3 blue, etc. So I might just draw around there so you can see that they're blue. So this is how the pattern continues. If I have 28 red beads, how many blue beads would be needed to make the necklace? So now rather than having 2 red beads, I'm going to have 28 of them. So what we need to write down is the ratio of the red beads to the blue beads. And that can be written down as that for every 2 red, there are 3 blue. Now we're looking at a situation where there are 28 red. So we've got 28 red. We have multiplied the number of red. And to find out what we've done to get from the 2 to 28, we can find the prime factors of 28. So if we break 28 down, that's 2 times 14. 14 isn't prime. 2 times 7, 2 and 7 are both prime. So let's break down 28 into its prime factors. It's 2 times 2 times 7. Okay, so what's actually happened to our 2 here? We've multiplied it up. There was just a 2, and we had our 2. We've multiplied it by the 2 and the 7. So if we look at what we've got to do to our 3 to make it equivalent, we started off with our 3, and now we've got to multiply it by our 2 and our 7 to make it equivalent. Let's see the final answer. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 7 is 28, that's what we're expecting here, and 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times 7 is 42. So the answer to the question, how many blue beads would we need? We would need 42 blue beads.